guys, welcome back to another video, and I'm sorry I didn't upload for I don't know when, but it's another video, so don't worry. Okay, well, today I'm going to show you my slime collection, and first I'm going to start with the St. Patrick's Day slime, because today's St. Patrick's Day, so that is this slime. You can't really see it, but it's like this clear slime with straws in it, and it's sparkly-ish. And let's take it out. That's how it looks from the top. So it's really sticky. Oh, you can see it on my finger. Look at that. It's like glue. But you can see the sparkles now from how sparkly it is. I probably need to activate it. So that's one of them. Most of these slimes are really old because I haven't made slime in like a long time. Leave a like or tell me in the comments if you want me to make slime videos more again, or more videos of slime. So let's get to the next slime. Next, I'm probably gonna go to like my least favorite slimes to my best slimes. Okay, so probably this one's my least favorite because it's not even slime anymore. It's glue. Oh no, it's like literally glue. Look, I'll show you the side of the container and it's leaking. See? You saw it. So I'm closing that one. Just put it away. This one, oh wait, no, put that away. Okay. This one was the rainbow unicorn slime, and I think it's really sticky. Let me see. This one's not that sticky as the other one. See, from the bottom, it looks ugly. In the camera, it looks gross, but it's not sticky. I can play with it. See? Next, this one. This one's actually really old. So, next slime. Next, I'm taking out this red one. I just made it randomly. I was bored, so I made this a really long time ago. I'll probably say that a lot. But let's open it. This one's kind of like, it's hard. Look at that. It's not even sliming. I mean, it could stretch good. I'm stretching it. See? It doesn't really click. So put that back in the container. That was that one. Next slime. This one. I have not played in this one for a long time. Oh my, it's not even slime. Look at it. You can see my finger marks, but not that. Okay, let me see if I can take this out. Oh my, look at that. Okay, let's just put this one away. Throw it somewhere. Okay, next one is this white one. Let me check my hands are clean then. Gotta stay white. Okay. Oh, it's not all the way white. It's dirty over here. No, this was supposed to be cloud slime. Well, this is a really good slime. See? Like, it looks like it sticks. And then, when you play with it, there's only a little bit. But take it all off. That's better. Okay, that was really rough with the slime. I have one better than that. Okay, I have another white slime. Right here. Okay, let's open it. This one's a little bit harder and it doesn't stick to you. It stretches. It's better slime. I think you can take this one out. Oh. Yeah, this one's good. See, when you take it out of the container, it's so stretchy. Okay. That's this one. Let's see if it clicks. Click test. It clicks. You probably hear that, but I don't know if you do. I might show you one more time. It only does it with the one finger. Okay, next slime. This is the next slime. I just opened it without you and I poked it right there. You can see that. But this one's really good too. It's like the other white one, second white one that we had. You can take it out and it stretches. I think it's better than the other white one because the other white one felt like a little bit stringy. This one feels kind of like gum though. It's like sticky but like not. It's like gum. So yeah. Let's do a quick test on this one. Falling on the camera. Okay, quick test. Okay, now it's stuck to me. I got it. Oh, that one does it. Here, I'll do it again. Okay, put that back in the container. We got 2 more slimes to go. Okay, so the next slime that we're gonna do. Oh wait, not 3 slimes. Okay, so this one. You don't see this one. I actually did not make a video on this one because it was really messy. And it still is. Like when you touch it, it could make your hands black. This is chalk slime. It's slime that you could write on and then it goes away. So I'll show you. Let's get the white marker because it shows good on black. Okay, so I got the white marker and I'll show you. So it's touching slime and I'll see. Wee. See? You see that white? You know I can't edit that. It looks like an owl, kind of. See that? Or tornado. Yeah, okay. Okay, and then when you close the marker, that closed. And then take this slime and then put it over. Then it's not there anymore. See, it's all black again. But it makes my hands black, see? I'm gonna wash my hands before we go to the next slimes. So, when I'm back, my hands will be washed in one snap. Okay, now my hands are clean. Clean. Sparkly. Okay, now let's put this slime away. This one is my second favorite slime. It has a lot of pink beads on the top. But I took most of the pink beads out And it's clear slime. So, look at this. Dun, dun, dun. It's magically pink and blue and purple and all kinds of colors. And look at this. Isn't that satisfying? Oh yeah, okay. Take the test. Let me just get it off my hands. Click test. Okay, it'll beat the crunch test, I bet. Look at this. Do you hear that? The crunch. Look at that. Okay, so that's that one, and now it's all the colors, and all of them are mixed. Put it back in the container of KFC. You don't have to know that anymore. Okay, well, put it back in there and get black slime. It's far, far away. Okay, you ready, guys? You ready for my favorite slime? Okay, this is it. It's purple and it's on the sides because I always play with this. And it smells wonderful. Smell it. Does that smell good? Now it's my turn. Smells so good. And then it can pass the click test. You hear that? And it's so good. It's so stretchy. And it doesn't even stick. Look at that. It looks like it. And then you put your finger in, and it's gone. All of it. It's on me, and on. See? That was my favorite slime video. And yes. So, tell me which slime was your favorite in the comments below. And leave a like on the video if you want to see more of my slime videos, like make more slime, because these are all my slimes that I showed you today. And like the video, and subscribe, and bye.